Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. From any screen here, you've got audio, phone, mobile apps and settings. You'd think you're perhaps going to phone, but you go into settings, you find Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You see there, add a Bluetooth device or view devices. Also, you've got Bluetooth on and off switch there. So that's off. So if you're having trouble at all pairing your mobile, or you can't find it, won't pick it up, do the same procedure. Go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so. Anyway, back to deleting the device. So view devices, click on view devices, and you've got there Barry's iPhone 12. If I click on that, then you've got the option to disconnect, make favorite, or delete. I want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Now it was saying there disconnect. That's because it was still connected via Bluetooth, so I'm just going to delete that. Forget this device, forget. That's it. So that's how to delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile from any screen. If you click the home button, you can either click phone or go into settings, the easiest one to do. If there's nothing connected at the moment, click phone, and then you've got pair of phones.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So now we go to settings, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on, click Bluetooth on, and then we're watching out at the bottom, waiting for, there we go, we've got Ford Transit. I'll just give it a second for the other system to catch up. So click Ford Transit.
Confirm that the PIN displayed on sync matches the PIN displayed on your device.
481994, so yes, pair. Allow contacts and favorites.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, and then automatic contact download, finish. Ford Transit connected. That's how you do that. I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So any screen, if you go to your music, your iTunes or whatever, if you've got this set up properly, let me just turn that down. You'll see at the bottom the silver triangle with the 3 red circles, the broadcast symbol. Ford Transit, there's a tick next to it. That means that anything that plays from this phone, any audio, if you've got that set right, the audio will come through the speakers in the cab. So we'll go back to the tune, we'll click play. We'll click play again. It didn't like my fingerprint then. Over here we go to audio, and then at the top sources, click on sources. At the moment it's on FM, but if I click my iPhone, it's connecting. That's showing what's playing on here. If I turn this up, I'll just turn that up. There you go. That's it. The music playing works with the soundtrack off any YouTube videos, Spotify, Amazon Music, you name it, it works. Okay, at this moment in time, my phone is paired via Bluetooth to the system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So if we go to Bluetooth, that's it, and then I want to forget this device, forget device, so I've knocked it off completely. Now, using your charging lead or a USB cable, whatever it is, if you do it on this over here, well, I would have done. Let me see. Hopefully, I'll still be able to see it from there. So, plug that in. It's connected to Apple CarPlay. You have to have the Apple CarPlay app downloaded on your phone, and it has to be switched on to accept. But as you can see there, we've now got SatNav, which we didn't have before, using the phone. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Waltleydale.
Getting directions to Grosvenor, Australia.
Now, I didn't say it wasn't foolproof. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
That's it, it's as simple as that.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage. Head west on Curedale Lane.
That's it. You can have the phone on your passenger seat in your pocket, as long as you've got Siri activated. You can navigate like so. It's just so good. Hey Siri, navigate to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's on England. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
That's it. Also, as I say, if you go to, well, you can bearing in mind you're not allowed to touch your phone when you're driving. That replicates the screen of your phone virtually. So if you go on there, if you click the buttons at the bottom, you've got WhatsApp, Google Maps, Messages, audio books. You can knock it back to forward sync there. Let me just see, what was I going to do then? Let's say music. On music, if I turn that, so you're playing your music through the cable. It's not synced via Bluetooth. That's just via the cable. Apple CarPlay, great system. It really is a great system. All this at the bottom is basically redundant. You don't need that anymore. All you need is that socket, and you can just tell it what to do. It's just hey Siri, play the Eagles.
The Eagles now playing.
Hey Siri, play Hotel California.
Now playing Hotel California by Eagles.
You don't need to do anything as long as you've got the cable attached to your phone. Great system. I really hope all the manufacturers do away with all this gubbins they charge you for, all their sat nav gear, which is out of date and obsolete in 12-18 months, and then you're driving around in a car with an old sat nav, whereas you're updating your phone all the time, upgrading your phone all the time, and the phone operating system and the sat nav is being updated all the time. That's waste of money. Every car that's out these days with audio equipment in, what a massive waste of money. Imagine what we could do with all that. See you in the next video. Thank you.